Welcome to our video on 10 solutions for teeth pain. Dental discomfort can be distressing, but there are remedies to alleviate it. Here are 10 effective solutions. 1. Cold compress. Applying cold to the affected area can reduce pain and inflammation. 2. Over-the-counter pain relievers. Medications like ibuprofen can help manage dental pain. 3. Saltwater rinse. Gargling with warm salt water can disinfect and soothe the mouth. 4. Clove oil. This natural remedy has numbing properties that can relieve toothache. 5. Topical gels. OTC oral gels can numb the area and provide temporary relief. 6. Avoid certain foods. Stay away from very cold, hot, sweet, or acidic foods that can trigger pain. 7. Dental floss. Ensure there's no food or debris stuck between teeth. 8. Elevate your head. Keeping your head elevated can reduce blood flow to the affected area, decreasing pain. 9. Visit a dentist. Persistent pain might indicate a more serious issue that requires professional care. 10. Maintain oral hygiene. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups can prevent many dental issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.